Jingle Bell Rock, here we go. We're going to break it down step by step, but we're first going to lose the lights. Just thought we'd do a bit of a Christmas vibe. And here we go with how to play it. We've replaced the lights. There's little finger lights we used for the fun of it. And we've got numbers now. So here we go with the tune. You do have the PDF in front of you with the tabs on. And the first bar is simply going to go. Now you'll notice over here I'm not using a pick. So I'm not using one of those over here. I'm using my fingers to play. And I'm also not picking with my thumb. Please do not use your thumb. Pick with your first finger. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And your fingers are like using the pinky number 4 for the 5th fret and ring finger for the, pinky for the 5th fret and then the ring finger for the 4th fret. So slow motion, if I take my fingers away, then the 4th. And then the second bar goes fret 2, fret 4, back to fret 2, and jump up a string. And pay attention to the fingers that I'm using as well again. If you really don't like the pinky, you may start like this. But I'd really encourage you to use the pinky. It doesn't feature that much in the song, so yeah, just do the pinky. Okay, so there you go, first and second bar with me. I'm going to count in if you want to play along with. 2 and 3 and 4 and... And you'll notice the whole way there, my first finger doesn't really move. Okay. Now, the third bar of the first line goes, which is sort of a repeat of the second bar. So if I put the first, second bar and third bar, I'm hoping that you realize that the second and third bar are sort of almost exactly the same, excepting for the third bar has an extra 0 at the end. But excluding that, here we go for bars 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3 and 4 and... And then your last bar has got a leading note, that's the 0 I just mentioned, and it goes. So it ends differently, otherwise that third phrase would actually be the same as the previous phrases, wouldn't it? Whole way through, remember to end on the middle finger for the 3, here we go. And just making sure I got this all lined up correctly. 2 and 3 and 4 and... Nice and cool. Now the next part, the next line is going to go. So I want you to be able to sing the song in your head as well. So make sure you're thinking of the words with snowing and blowing. Okay, so that your notes follow the actual tune. And it's quite easy. Nothing's in the first fret yet until the second half of the second line. So you're going to keep the first finger in fret number 2 and it's going to go. Nice and easy, 0, 2, 3, chain string. And then it goes quite quick little jump, and you're going to watch my first finger now jump across from the first to the second string. And you can hear it as well. You can actually see the strings vibrate in the video, like that. And it's going to go from that. So here's your first and second bar of the next line. Are you ready? 2 and 3 and 4 and... Got the timing, one more for luck. 2 and 3 and 4 and... And then we move the hand back because you'll see that the third and fourth bar of the second line goes... And that's just 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. And that's nice and easy. Now, I'm not going to do the entire song because the third line is exactly the same as the first line. The last line is almost the same as the second, and I want to see if you can work that out by yourself. So it keeps the video short. And this is your immediate homework. It's going to go like this. Are you ready for me? I'm going to play it along with you. 2 and 3 and 4 and... it back, and you start all over again. If you've got any questions, drop me a WhatsApp. I'll be happy to send you whatever information you need or to help you out. Otherwise, see if you can finish off the song for me. And maybe send me a video of what you're doing if you get stuck. And have a cool almost Christmas.